Hey everyone, welcome back. Here's how to reset your N26 app password if you forgot or want to change it. First, open the app on your phone. Then, on the login screen, tap Forgot Password and then enter your email address. Then, tap Continue or Reset Password. Next, go to your Gmail app. Then check your inbox for a password reset link. If you don't see the link here, click on the three-line option in the top right corner, scroll down, go to spam, then check your trash. Sometimes they end up over there. Then check the link and follow the instructions. Enter a strong password and then confirm it and return to the app and log in. Avoid using simple passwords like 123456 or your birth date. That's how to reset your N26 app password. Like and subscribe for more banking tutorials.